My name is Chika Ekeji, and I am the Group Chief Strategy and Transformation Officer for MTN Group. The Alliance is an opportunity for global telecommunications providers to come together and expose one another to a pipeline of innovation, particularly in the startup space, across all the different verticals that are of interest to us, or where it is that we certainly have a need to collaborate better with the startup ecosystems. So we're quite excited about the opportunity not only to go deeper in our own ecosystem on the continent, but also to get exposure across the world to the network of potential startups that we could potentially work with or explore at least solutions with. We are one of the first African telcos in the Alliance, and so I think that body of knowledge will be important. Also, exposure to the network of potential startups on the continent that we, of course, will seek to connect with in the course of this journey and expose to the rest of our peers in the Alliance will be another quite distinct contribution. So I'd say if you consider financial services and all its implications, improved connectivity technologies around 5G, etc., those are probably two of the big ones on the top of my mind. Of course, we also have a massive cloud and general cloud infrastructure push, which is quite exciting to consider. So I'd say those are some of the big technologies that would be top of mind for us. Not to mention, of course, advanced analytics and big data.
Alaian, disruptive telcos for disruptive startups.